Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fill 1040 Form Easy Guide. Start by gathering W-2s, Form 1099s, and proof of deductions, then organize income by source, report wages, interest, and business income, claim dependents and credits, track withholding and estimated payments, choose standard or itemized deduction, compute tax liability, apply tax payments, sign the form, and file by mail or e-file while keeping copies for your records. When filling key sections, work line by line and read instructions for each box. Enter personal details, dependents, and filing status first. Then report wage income from W-2s and non-employee pay from Form 1099. Include taxable interest and dividends, record business income and expenses, apply applicable adjustments to income, calculate adjusted gross income, and double-check math and entries before moving to tax calculation and credits. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making clear tax guides. Quick recommendation: bring a little convenience to your workspace with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a fun gadget for timers, reminders, and upbeat background music while you organize forms. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if it helps, and now let's get back to the video. Calculating tax starts with taxable income after deductions. Then use the tax table to find the base tax amount. Subtract non-refundable credits. Add any other taxes like self-employment tax if applicable. Apply refundable credits to determine refund. Include withholding from W-2 and estimated payments. Compute whether you owe a balance or will receive a refund, and prepare payment or provide direct deposit details for faster processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.